Alright, what's up guys? I just beat Nolan's ass. Look at this, 500 tickets. Boom. Both of them are pointing that up. Nolan. Now if he gets that 419, he might have a chance. Ooh.
That's so hard to get.
Check this out guys, I just hit it again. Look, this is 500 tickets right here, and then I just hit it again. So what? Yeah, I just hit 500 tickets again. Isn't that crazy? Alright, what's going on guys? So we just won 1,000 tickets. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. It's so easy to watch. Oh no, that was only 100.
Well, that's still 100 though.
Let me see if I can do it again. Alright, here we go. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I got one ticket. Oh, it's like I got 100.
Oh, maybe it is skipping.
No, it's not. It's me. I got.
Oh, there you go. Concentration, concentration.
Oh no. I got it.
Deal or no deal.
Oh.
Now open 5 cases.
So it's
16, 1 low.
yes.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
500.
Just like that. It's pretty easy to hit. Wait, was it here or here?
I don't remember.
Oh, it was there. One. Alright. Let's just. That one doesn't work. I don't even know where the end of this is. That's gonna be interesting. Oh, I think this is it right here. Yeah, it goes fast. Sounds like a good motor on it.
It does.
More power.
It was really fast when I was putting my seconds in there.
More tickets or select a prize. More tickets or select a
Do me a favor and go get a.
Select more tickets or select a prize. Select more tickets or select a prize.
How many games did you have to play?
Just a couple.
More tickets or select a prize.
I see one in
Select more tickets or select a prize.
Alright, you wanna
Select more
scan?
tickets or select
Go ahead and scan
a prize.
mine.
Yeah, I scanned
The second one.
it. Alright, 2,280.
That's what we ended up with.
What can we get?
Select a prize.
Let's get the Gumby.
This is,
Should we just give these to someone?
what's up?
I don't really know these.
There's someone on the football or the hockey table.
What?
There's someone on a hockey table.
Okay. Do you want these? Here we go. I'll just take all of those. You know what?
Oh.
I'm gonna leave that here. Yeah, she can have those.